guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. We are outside of Walmart to do my favorite haul each week, the Ibotta haul. So we do have a new bonus, the Mistletoe bonus. Mine is for $1 back when you do 10 rebates. Doesn't sound that exciting, but any brand and any item rebates count towards the bonus, which is absolutely amazing. So we are gonna finish that up today. We have a couple more bonuses that are going to be included as well. We're gonna do some swag buck deals, Shopkick deals, you name it. If you're new to any of those rebate apps, if you wanna learn how to use them, super easy. Head over to my website, breecouponqueen.com. Go to the rebate apps tab and there are videos on how to use them. There's also all of my referral codes linked below in the description box for you. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on amazing and super easy ways that you can save, especially going into the new year. I will be doing my vision board video, which I'm so excited about. I'm gonna get that finished up today, hopefully be able to film it today and post it on Wednesday is my goal. So fingers crossed I'm able to get that completed. So let's go inside and start taking advantage of these amazing deals. The first deal we're gonna grab is on the Biotin. There is a $1 printable coupon on their website. I've already printed my max limit, so I don't have it to show you. So I'm gonna use this with no coupons. I'm gonna pay the $3.84, submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back, making my final cost $1.34. If you use that $1 off printable, your cost would be just 34 cents. Then we're gonna grab some Summer's Eve Active Whites. They are $2.48. And there is a $1 printable coupon that is linked in the printable breakdown below in the description box. We're gonna pay $1.48, submit to Ibotta for $1 back, making it just 48 cents. These are all individually wrapped as well, so I love keeping a couple in my purse. Super handy and a great deal. Then we're gonna grab some Q-tips, not toothpicks. So this is the only one that I found and I don't even know where it goes, but I scanned it on the Walmart app and it's $4.64. You wanna get the 600 count. Submit this to Ibotta for $1.25 back, and you can submit this to Shopkick. 15 kicks when you scan the barcode in store on the app and $7.50 when you buy it, which is about $3.02 back, making your final cost for this about 39 cents, which is great. This Shopkick bundle reset again, so I'm gonna definitely keep taking advantage of it because it's a moneymaker. So how you know it resets is you'll see it back on your account. Once you submit your receipt for the different items and rebates, it disappears from your account. When you see it come back, that means it reset. We're gonna grab a shampoo and a conditioner, has to be one of each. These are actually both shampoos, but you wanna grab one shampoo and one conditioner. That'll bring you to $3.96. Submit to Shopkick for 1,200 kicks back. You multiply that by 0.004. That's how you know the cash value of $4.80 back, making these free and an 84-cent moneymaker. And you always want to check your clearance section. This Walmart doesn't have the best clearance section like the other one I go to, but I did find this. So these are on clearance for $5, regular priced $12. And there was a $1 peely right on it. So I'm gonna pay $4 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $2 back, making this just $2, which is an awesome deal. Christmas is of course half off at Walmart and most of the shelves are pretty cleared, so if you find something that you really need, definitely double check before it's gone, but don't just buy things because they're on clearance. I know we kind of fall into that trap quite a bit, like this guy. What does this do? Aw man, it says try me, but it doesn't work. Pull tab push down. Aw man, probably super cute. Next deal we're gonna do is on the Dollar Shave Club. Now, the 4-blade was a moneymaker when the Shopkick deal was there, but I just checked and it's gone. So this is the deal you can do on this. I scanned it, it's $4.94. Submit to Ibotta for $2 back, making it $3, which is still a great deal. The other one you can do is on the 6-blade. They are $7.44 when I scan them on the Walmart app. Submit to Shopkick for 1,270 kicks, which is about $5.08 back, making this one only $1.64, which is obviously a better deal, and it's a nice gift pack. So If you're still visiting any friends or family and need something cute to wrap up, this is a great deal. If you need to stock up on some cereal, you can grab 2 family size boxes. This would be a great rebate to do on the Lucky Charms. They are $3.64 each. Then we have a $1 off 2 coupon from, I believe, the 1213 Smart Source. I will have it listed below in the description box in the printable breakdown. Then you're going to submit to Ibotta for $1 back each, giving you back $2, making your final cost $2.14 per box. So not a bad deal because these are the huge family size. This is the deal I'm going to do. These Coco Puffs, it says this clearance tag, but it's actually even cheaper. They're $2.57. And there is this $1 rebate on Ibotta for the Coco Puffs. So I'm gonna grab one of these, love Coco Puffs, and I'm gonna grab a Reese's Puffs. These are $2.98 and they have a separate $1 rebate on Ibotta. So that's gonna give us 2 rebates towards our bonus, and we're still gonna be able to use a $1 off 2 coupon. So our final cost is gonna be just $1.27 per box of cereal. That's a good price point for me, so let's add this to the cart. Now we have another moneymaker deal that reset for us. So we're gonna grab these Frutella. They're in the wrong spot. They should be down here. They're $2.28. Then we're gonna submit this to Shopkick, 100 kicks when you scan it in store, so definitely do that, and 600 kicks when you buy it. That'll be $2.80 back, which is gonna make this completely free and about a 52-cent moneymaker, which is a big, big deal. Okay, so I just turned the corner and look what I found, 2 of the Freebies. I looked on the Walmart app and it said they were in like aisle G13 or something, and I scouted that aisle and I can't find it. And we're nowhere near that aisle, and they're on a random end cap. So definitely check your store and keep an eye out. We're gonna grab this Super Shake right here for $2.98, submit to Ibotta for $2.99 back, and a 10-cent any protein shake rebate. Both of those rebates are gonna track towards our bonus, making this a 10-cent moneymaker. Then we're gonna grab one of these single muscle milks at $2.98, submit to Ibotta for $2.98 back, making this free, and there is a $1 bonus when you do 2 muscle milk rebates. In my Walgreens haul, I did the other muscle milk rebate with the digital coupon and things like that, so I'm gonna hit that rebate, making this guy a $1 moneymaker, which is awesome. Here's an easy rebate you can do with no coupons. And I use egg whites when I cook in the morning so I can get some extra protein. So I have no problem grabbing this rebate. It's something I would buy anyways. I'm gonna get the smaller one, which is $2.58. Submit to Ibotta for 70 cents back, making it just $1.88. Another Shopkick deal that reset is on these deep dish Dixie Ultra plates. They're $3.28. We are gonna pay that out of pocket. I didn't bring any of my 75-cent coupons, I don't think, but you can print them off of the Dixie website. It will be linked in the printable breakdown for you as well. Then we're gonna submit to Shopkick for 750 kicks, which is $3 back. So without the coupon, it's just 28 cents. Now we scanned all of our coupons, so they worked right here. So then you're gonna put them in the coupon in section right here. So let's finish up our transaction and see what our totals are after our cash back. Okay, so we're back in from Walmart. I didn't have any issues with the products that I bought, with the coupons that I used. That $1 peely for the clearance product wound up working as well. No issues, which was awesome. So I wanna go over my final cost with everything, what I got back when I submitted all my receipts and everything like that. So let me show you guys my receipt. Nothing too crazy to show you, just rang in everything, used my coupons, they came off. I did wind up finding a 75-cent coupon in my coupon binder for the Ultra plates, which was awesome. Made that one a little bit of a moneymaker. So final cost was $43.26 plus taxes. Paid that out of pocket. Didn't feel like wasting my time on a Fetch Rewards gift card and having a manager come over because they switched it at Walmart and it's a pain in the butt. So submitted my receipt to Ibotta, got back $15.53. I will also be getting back $1 for the Mistletoe bonus and $1 for the Muscle Milk Evolve bonus. So that'll be another $1 back. Then I submitted it to Shopkick for 4,550 kicks. Multiply that by 0.004. That's about $18.20 back. So our final cost for everything we got today should be about $7 plus taxes, which is great. I feel like that final cost is higher than it should be, but I wound up getting some extra things that I didn't write down on my list. So everything will be updated, of course, in the printable breakdown for you. I have a couple new rebates that I showed you today, which is awesome, and some repeats for some money makers, which helps your overall cost of the products you're grabbing. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below. Don't forget to smash that like button for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.